Working from home can be a great opportunity, but it can also come with its own set of challenges. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to manage your life as a work-from-home employee. Set a schedule. Establish a schedule that you will stick to, including specific times for starting and ending work, taking breaks, and eating lunch. Create a dedicated workspace. Set up a dedicated workspace that is separate from your living space. This will help you to establish a clear boundary between work and home. Dress for success. Get dressed as if you were going to an office. It will help you to mentally switch into work mode. Prioritize your tasks. Make a list of tasks that you need to complete for the day, and prioritize them by importance. Use a time tracking tool. Use a time tracking tool to help you stay on task and manage your time more effectively. Take regular breaks. Make sure to take regular breaks to stretch, move around and refresh your mind. Communicate with your team. Use video conferencing and instant messaging apps to stay connected with your team. Stay organized. Keep your workspace and your files organized to help you stay focused and productive. Take care of yourself. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating well, and staying active. Set boundaries. Set boundaries with friends and family members to make sure they understand that you are working and need privacy and quiet during your working hours. Get sunlight. Make sure to take a short break during the day to go outside and get some sunlight. This can help to boost your mood and energy levels, and also provide a change of scenery. Sunlight exposure will also give you a dose of vitamin D, which is important for our overall health. With this extra step, you will be able to take advantage of the benefits of sunlight, refresh your mind and body, and also help to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Summary: working from home can be a great opportunity, but it can also come with its own set of challenges. By setting a schedule, creating a dedicated workspace, dressing for success, prioritizing tasks, using a time tracking tool, taking regular breaks, communicating with your team, staying organized, taking care of yourself and setting boundaries, you can effectively manage your life as a work-from-home employee and maintain a good work-life balance. And don't forget sunlight.